In this video, I will show you how you can rearrange the photos on your iPad in the Photos app. Now to do that, just simply open the Photos app, then go to the Library section. Now to rearrange the photos, just tap on the three lines on the screen. Now over here, you will find two sorting options. You have the option to sort the photos by their date when they were captured, and also you have the option to sort them as when they were added to your iPad. But if you want to have more control on the arrangement of the photos in your iPad, then go to the Collection section, and over here just tap on Albums. Now just tap on the plus icon and create a new album. And over here just select New Album. Now over here just give a name to your album. I will name it Album 1, then tap on Create. Now just go to the album which we have created and tap on the plus icon. Now in the Photos app, just select the photos which you want to add to your album. After you have selected the photos, then just tap on Done, and you will add the photos to your album. Now if you tap on the three lines over here, again you will find a few sorting options. You have the option for Sort by Oldest first, you have the option for Sort by Newest first, and finally you have the option for Sort in Custom Order. If you select Sort in Custom Order, you will be able to sort the photos manually just like that. Now also another method is that you can use a third-party Photos app. For example, you can use Google Photos, and over here you can customize the arrangement of the photos in the Photos app, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.